Andrea with IO Creative Solutions, and this is my boss, Nisi. We're going to be talking today about when to use AI versus a marketing agency. AI is everywhere right now, from graphic design to managing social media posts and blog creation. While these tools are powerful, they're not the solution for everything. How do you know when to lean on AI or when to use and invest in a marketing agency? AI shines when you need speed, volume, or repetitive tasks handled. Think of it as your digital assistant. Here are a few areas where AI works best. Brainstorming blog titles or social media captions, drafting basic blogs, emails, or product descriptions, generating simple graphics or resizing images, crunching data and pulling out quick insights, automating tasks like scheduling posts or reminders for yourself and your team. If it's repetitive or rules-based, then AI can save you hours. But here's the catch. AI can't replace strategy, creativity, or accountability. That's where an agency comes in. Agencies bring expertise in the areas of brand strategy and positioning, creative direction for videos, photos, and campaigns, custom design that sets you apart from other practices, SEO and paid ad strategies that actually convert, and probably most importantly, the accountability. An agency is going to make sure that you continue to grow towards your goals. It's not just going to reaffirm a bad creative idea that one of your team members may have had. An agency isn't going to continually regurgitate the same things out, and your clientele are going to get bored of it. You need an agency that holds you accountable and pushes you to grow and has vision and strategy and knows what humans relate to. In all honesty, the real power isn't in choosing one or the other. It's maximizing both to your full potential. And here is how the smart practices are doing it. They have AI handle the heavy lifting, the drafting, the research, anything that can be automated and repetitive. Then they bring in an agency who adds strategy and creativity. They take the raw exports from AI and craft it into something that real people will connect with. This beautiful mix keeps the cost down, it speeds up your workflow, and it makes sure that your marketing actually works and your money isn't just going into a hole. So all in all, when should you use AI versus an agency? Use AI for the busy work and use an agency for creativity, strategy, and that accountability. At IO Creative Solutions, we combine the best of both worlds. We're constantly using AI to streamline our processes, to optimize our time, but we're also sitting down with each other and brainstorming creativity. We are coming up with new ways to say things and to connect with people. We are coming up with ways to navigate the realm of social media, and it's full of AI videos, of AI posts, and we are made by humans for humans. So though we use AI as a tool, we also make sure that we keep the human element in all of our marketing. And if you want to see how this could work for your practice, then feel free to email us at info@iocreativesolutions to schedule a free strategy call where we can go over all the different options for your practice and tailor it to exactly what you need. If you want to see how this can work for your practice, then contact us to schedule a free strategy call where we go over everything you need specific to your practice to get your clientele to find you. You can email us at info@iocreativesolutions.com. You can check us out online, submit a contact form. We would love to connect with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Let us know if this helped you out at all, and let us know what you want to hear in the future. Have a great day.